What's up, everybody? It's Israel with Mine from Money. I got a very important update for you. We got one graph right here on the left. We got another graph right here on the right. First one on the left is showing that we're going to stabilize right here. We actually saw a bit of support. We thought we were going to see support a little bit further down. Surprisingly enough, hey, this is the fun thing, right? You never know where you're going to meet these lines. So we actually saw a level of support right here. Now let's see if we can sustain it. If we can sustain it here, the most important thing is if we can sustain it, now we're actually going to find new peaks, okay? What's crazy is we're already approaching that peak, okay? And if we can break out of that peak, we just go to a new peak and a new peak and a new peak. And when you level this out, so that's what this graph is here on the right, I've set different support lines. Green is where we're going to be at our best. Anything above that is awesome. And then anything below that, you'll have different lines of support. But you'll see we have almost 4 different lines of support. And the red line on the bottom, as far as profitability for these miners, that $200 mark is pretty much where you almost break even, but you're still profitable. That's the crazy thing, is you're still going to be profitable at that $200 mark, okay? That's your red line right here on the bottom of this graph. You have several channels all the way up, and that's just your bottom, okay? That's just the bottom level of support. That doesn't mean that there's not going to be different peaks. Okay, currently we have about $100 price swings. Right now what it's doing is that window is shrinking. As that's shrinking, we're seeing that come across right here. And just like it did when it was coming up, as it walked its way up, when we saw this growth back up to 500 when we were down in the 300s, it was big top, low bottom, and then those two numbers started to come closer together as it was edging its way up. Then we finally broke back up, and now here we are in the $500 range, okay? So let's see if we can hold this support, okay? And let's see if we can look for this new high. Same as always, everybody, like, subscribe, follow, share with a friend. If you got questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for following, and let's mine for some money.